Hi everyone, welcome back to another video with Royalsoft. Today in this video we are going to review the Razer Ornata V2. As you can see, this is a mecha membrane keyboard, meaning it's not mechanical and the switches are not swappable. You only can swap the keycaps and they're not hot swappable, meaning you cannot customize it with any keycap and you only can purchase the Razer keycap and switch with it. The price on it, depending on your location, is around $100. Let's go ahead and take out one of the keys and see what I mean by not being hot swappable. They're really hard to take out since it's not a mechanical keyboard, but you can take it out. So here is the key, you can see the inside, and it's only a Razer key, which means you only can switch it with a Razer keycap. The thing that I like about this is that the LED is very good quality and I like the coloring. You can see that the LED is very bright and it gives a great look to the keyboard, and that's one of the reasons I purchased it. Moving on, talking about the quality of the keyboard and the hand race, I can say the quality is very good. As you can see, the hand race is magnetic and you can connect it and disconnect it very fast. You can use it once you need it, or if you want to have more space on your desk to write something, you can remove it. It's a very good made leather, it's very soft and it doesn't make your hand uncomfortable, and I really liked it. With the help of Razer software, you can design different colors for the backlight, different designs and anything. It's really easy. I have that in another video if you want to learn more about it, but for now let's go ahead and see different types of coloring that this keyboard provides.